In order to continue to provide customers with the highest quality products possible, Bose has an established recruitment strategy. They place a strong emphasis on two particular attributes: personality and strong technological knowledge. Bose conducts a comprehensive personality test when judging their applicants. They believe the candidate's goals and lifestyle must align with the company's overall active and competitive culture. While recruiting, Bose places a heavy emphasis on the concept of hunters versus farmers. Bose defines hunters as confident and independent. They are highly suitable for establishing relationships with new clients. Farmers, on the other hand, are personable and customer service oriented. They excel at maintaining and building strong relationships with existing accounts. Both hunters and farmers are strong assets to the Bose community, and both are essential for success. Secondly, technological knowledge is crucial to be a valuable Bose employee. The candidate must have extensive, pre-existing knowledge of the products, company, and market. The candidate must be able to support and understand Bose's highly sophisticated products and sell customers on why Bose is the superior sound providing company.